Okay, adding integers. So, positive plus positive equals positive. Okay? Magiging positive yung sign. For example, 5 plus 3. So, parehas positive, addition lang yan. And then, positive ang sign. So, magiging 5 plus 8 is equals to 8. Positive 8. Okay? Next, positive plus negative equals negative or positive. Bakit? Depende kung malaki o kung sino ang mas malaki sa kanila. Pero kapag ganyan, since magkaiba, subtraction. Okay? Subtraction. Again, kapag magkaiba ang sign, subtraction, copy the highest sign. Okay? For example, negative 8 plus positive 8 plus negative 10. For example, so since positive to, ito ay negative, always subtract kasi magkaiba yan ng sign. So sabi ko sa estudyante ko, kapag magkaiba, always subtract kasi when you multiply, positive times negative is equals to negative. So 8 minus 10, ang sagot is negative 2. Kasi mas malaki si negative 10 kumpara kay positive 8. Again, kung sino ang mas malaki ang sign, copy the highest sign. Ganun lang kasimple ang pag-a-add ng integers. Sa ganito, maraming nalilito kapag magkakaiba na yung sign. Okay? So, for example, negative 3 plus 4 equals, again, kapag magkaiba ang sign, subtraction. Okay? Susubtract natin yan. Tandaan. So, negative 3 plus 4, magiging subtraction, magiging negative 3 minus 4 is equals to 1. So, negative or positive? Positive kasi mas mataas si 4 or positive 4. Kaya, copy the highest sign. Again, subtraction, but copy the highest sign. Okay? Next, 5 plus negative 3. So, kapag ganyan, syempre, hindi natin pwede pagsamahin ang magkaibang sign. Kaya, nilagyan natin ng parenthesis. So, ang ginagawa ko dito, pinagmumultiply ko muna. So, positive times negative, magiging negative. Therefore, magiging 5 minus 3. Ganyan siya. So, the answer is 5 minus 3 is positive 2. Kasi mas mataas ang sign ni 5 kumpara kay negative 3. Kaya ang sagot is positive 2. Okay, next. Negative 11 minus 2. Again, parehas naman ng sign. So, ang mangyayari dyan is addition. Pag-a-addin natin. Addition. But the sign is negative. Okay? So, negative 11 minus 2 magiging 11 plus 2 is equals to 13. Negative 13. Okay? So, ganun lang.